You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning and how to pronounce these Roman numeral, because you can't say LVI, can you? So how does that work? L stands for 50, V is 5, and I is 1, and you add them all up and you end up with 56. So don't say LVI, but rather 56, as in 56, the number, Roman numeral, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.